Are you looking to purchase a home, but you've been turned down by the banks for a loan? Hi, my name is Alexander DeSazio, and I'm one of the brokers here at Citigroup Properties. Citigroup Properties is a full-service real estate brokerage, and we specialize in owner financing. We've been doing owner finance for over a decade. So what is owner financing? Simply put, owner financing is where the seller is financing the property to the buyer. That means there's no banks involved, the approval process is very simple, and you can move in as little as 2 weeks. It's a great option for anyone who's been turned down by the banks for a loan. Whether it's tax issues or credit challenges, whatever the case is, if you have 20% to put down, we can get you in an owner finance property. That's it. 20% down payment, and we can get you in an owner finance property. So I'd like to tell you a little bit about the ins and outs of owner financing. First, there's not a lot of owner finance properties out there. Out of the tens of thousands of homes that are being sold in your market, there's only a couple of hundred that are offering owner finance. And half of those aren't properties you'd want to purchase. Our job is to find the best possible property in the best condition, in the best area for you. And we're really good at it. A second thing to note is that the interest rates on owner finance are kind of high. But that's okay. Our other job is to get you on a refinance strategy as soon as possible. We'll make sure that there's no prepayment penalty, so as soon as you get your credit or whatever issues in order, we can get you refinanced into a much lower interest rate. So you're really just paying the higher interest rate when you first purchase the property until you get refinanced. The other thing you want to watch out for is the sellers. There's a lot of sellers that are offering owner financing for bad reasons. For example, maybe the property is in really bad condition. Well, we're going to make sure that, number one, we do an inspection on the property when we purchase it, so you can make sure that your inspector checks out the property to make sure it's in good condition. But we'll also provide you with properties that are already in good condition. The second thing is, sellers might be trying to pass something through on the title. Now, a lot of times sellers will offer owner financing and say, hey, let's just use my attorney and try and pass things through on the title. We're going to make sure that we use a major title company to do the transaction. That title company will check the title to make sure it's free and clear before you get the property. And they'll also give title insurance to ensure that. And the third reason sellers offer owner financing is because they want to make money off the interest rate. Actually, that's the good reason. And again, we're going to make sure you get refinanced as soon as possible to get into a lower interest rate as soon as you can. We're here to help you find the best owner finance property possible, and we do it good. We've been doing this for a long time, and there's no one who does it better. If you're looking for owner finance, you want to make sure that you have someone on your team who knows how to handle this transaction. So reach out to a Citigroup agent today, and we'll make sure that we get you in a home tomorrow.